Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make Philly cheesesteaks. I'm going to throw a little bit of oil in here. I'm not too worried about what's going to happen, whether it sticks or what. I have 1.5 pounds of some shaved beef here. I'm going to throw in juices and all. Okay, take this gross piece off and we'll cook this up and hopefully it's good. It's shaved very thin and hopefully we don't have freaky pieces, but I think I'm gonna crisp it up a little bit and then throw in some liquid because I don't want this to be chewy. I want it to be tender and delicious. All right, y'all, I'm gonna throw on some salt and pepper. I'm actually gonna throw on Lowry's mostly. I need to refill my pepper grinder. It's very low. Yep, it's empty. I'm gonna throw in some Lowry's onion and garlic powder, I believe. We love pepper around here, y'all. The bin I have garlic. My utensils and everything in. Tipped over, fell off the stack. So I need to pick all that up and clean it up. Onion powder, Lowry's. I don't want it too salty. All right, y'all. I'm gonna turn the heat up so it can kind of crisp. Now we'll turn it back down, y'all. It's pretty good. Pepper. We're gonna let this crisp up a bit. I don't use the electric bit for the pepper because it doesn't grind it as fine as I enjoy and prefer. So I'm just gonna use these older ones before I open my new box. Oh boy, hot. I don't really want a full peppercorn in there. Oh boy, that'd be a spicy bite. Getting some good color. Actually, I think I'll stir it around. Kind of get that onion powder. Okay. Just trying to clean out the freezer, use what I have. We love to cook homemade and have things at home. Yeah, we need some more heat, y'all. Fill this pepper. There's probably more pepper in here too. A little bit, not really. Just have this little one from Walmart. Didn't want to open nice at all. No big deal. These caps for these containers are so funny. Till we get up to the top. Perfect. Beautiful. We're gonna add more pepper. Oh yeah. Nice and fresh pepper, y'all. Delicious. Keep cooking. All right, y'all. I cleaned up that mess and it's been on there. So it's probably almost done. This is a lot of meat. I don't have homemade hoagie rolls today, but that is just fine. See this, y'all? That's what I'm afraid of. I hope it's not stringy and gross. At this point, I think I'm gonna add some liquid so we don't make this too rough. Also, I'm not a professional, so this may be completely wrong. Just cooking for my family, y'all. I'm gonna put some W sauce in here too. That sounds good. All right, I finally found it. Add a couple splashes. We're just gonna let this cook. Hopefully it's good. We've had Phillies before, cheesesteaks, but this meat we got was just a little weird last time. So hopefully it's good. All right, y'all. At this point, I'm gonna cut the heat and I will put a lid on there and let it rest. Should be done, should be good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try a little bit. I'm not super hungry right now, but I'm just gonna try a little bit. Now, yeah, we can use some of this heat to melt the cheese. It's a little different from how I usually make it. Usually it's a little more dry, but this is gonna be a-okay because I just don't want it to be. I'm gonna try it. It's delicious. Add a little more Lowry's, y'all. Needs a little more salt. It's a lot of meat. A little more pepper. Nice and full now. And we will mix it up. All right, y'all, I'm gonna use this little bit here. Get some cheese on there. Might turn the heat on for a minute so I can melt that cheese. We'll put it on this one. Get that cheese melting and we'll taste her. All right, y'all. I turned the heat back on. It's already off again. The cheese is pretty much melted. Now what I should do is toast these buns. All right, y'all. I took the meat out, set it aside. Now what I want to do is, I've got the skillet back on. Just gonna set this on my plate, remove it from my skillet. Got this store-bought bread. Throw down a little mayo, throw my bread down, press it, pretty good. I'm gonna cut the heat and we'll put our sandwich on there. Now I wouldn't suggest this meat to y'all. It's been good in the past, but this time was not great. These Philly cheesesteaks are so simple to make at home. They are super delicious, and I know they're cheaper and better than some restaurants. Shut my sandwich. Look at that beauty. Delicious. I'm gonna slice into her. And there you have it. Bon appetit. We appreciate y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Quick, simple, easy, and delicious dinner, lunch. If you guys enjoyed, consider giving this video a like, letting us know what you think down below, and subscribing for more. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching, y'all. Cheers. So good. Juicy, moist, delicious. That provolone cheese on there is absolutely incredible. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Cheers, y'all.